MLA ka Shillong West uba Mohendro Rapsang wala panun kam de scooty ban leit shadorbar senrai jong ka dorbar thawan ke jala ha ke ni ke sinin kong kadau ka baula ker ban panun kam de kali bat pynpah ya ka Siren kade namar kwah ban pendik ya ki nonglik nangwan namar kato kade kapor babaro ki kwah ban ko isya ki kam ki jam la jong ha kapor ka bagyang
Actually, I'm going to my work, so suddenly sir got me on the road. Sir told me, you have extra helmet? I said, yes sir, I have extra helmet. So sir, so please drop me the assembly. I said, okay sir, I'll drop you the assembly. So on going to the assembly, I asked sir, why you have a silent? Why don't you use the silent? So no, I don't want to disturb the public. So for that reason, I told sir also, sir, this traffic issue is very issue in Shillong city. Sir, please talk in assembly. So if the solution is come from the government side, anything. So sir gave me the assurance that he will speak to the assembly regarding the traffic issue in Shillong city. So he told me that one. Then after dropping, sir said, thank you. I said, okay sir, for you sir, anytime I can help sir. So I see the simple as MLA taking a lift from the scooty. So for my time, first time I've seen this type of MLA taking lift and going assembly. That's what
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To all the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.